Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Stanford Online, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect with Stanford Online, start by visiting the official Stanford Online website. Look for the Programs section on the homepage. Browse through the various courses and programs offered. Identify a course that aligns with your interests and goals. Click on the course title to access more detailed information. Review the course description, requirements, and schedule. Check for prerequisites to ensure you meet the qualifications. Look for enrollment dates and registration procedures. If the course requires a fee, note the payment options available. Create a Stanford Online account if you don't already have one. Fill in the required information during the account registration process. Once registered, log in to your account. Navigate back to the course page you are interested in. Click on the Enroll button to begin the registration process. Follow the prompts to complete your enrollment. After enrolling, check your dashboard for course materials and updates. Set up notifications for any important announcements related to your course. If you have questions, locate the Contact Us page for support options. Reach out to their support team via email or phone if needed. Participate in any introductory webinars or sessions offered. Join course forums or discussion boards to engage with fellow learners. Explore additional resources provided to enhance your learning experience. Stay organized by marking your calendar with key deadlines. Begin your course with a positive mindset and commitment to learning. Keep track of your progress and stay engaged throughout the duration. Utilize Stanford's online tools and resources to maximize your learning potential. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.